Advisory is a team of specialists who can help you set your vision for how AI and data will drive organizational growth. There's a lot of focus on the technology and how that can be implemented. Many variations of capabilities that are being launched every day. In this dizzying world of AI tools, how do you know when and why you should invest? Does it make sense to launch a capability where value is unclear? You might have buy-in today because a message that not investing in AI will leave you behind. But will that buy-in still exist in 1 year, 6 months, or 3 months if no results are being produced for the business? Advisory sets strategic direction, helps you to make critical decisions, drive adoption, guide your development to meet your vision for where you play in your industry. We bridge long-term strategic vision with pragmatic recommendations that enable you to move straight into mobilization and execution. We don't stack design phases. We want to increase your speed to value in a way that minimizes upfront expense and drive long-term stickiness. Any sort of technology transformation starts with a process, and that's where advisory comes in. Challenges we see every day include things like we built a platform that is not being used and our expense far outweighs any return that we are seeing. We're experimenting taking AI products to market and our customer base has lost interest. Shadow AI is emerging across the organization, causing replication, inconsistencies, and additional overhead, and IT has lost control. Typically for all of these, there is a gap in tying value to action. What was built did not have a clear why. Our intent is to multiply your revenue through foundational work, justifying your investment by many multiples long term. We have and can deliver multi-million-dollar savings through recommendations and bring that revenue up 2 to 3 times. It has long been known that over 80% of governance or analytics initiatives fail because of a lack of planning and connection to value. More recently, that's well over 90% for AI initiatives. There's no focus on value. While AI is an evolution of how we operate, it's behaving like a trend in the sense that everyone is talking about it, but few know how to execute. Now imagine that any of these initiatives will cost you at least 7 figures. That's an enormous cost for an experiment. And more importantly, it takes focus away from supporting your organization's growth in a time when you can least afford it. In the meantime, your competitors are racing ahead. It's worth the upfront advisory to build the plan and the tools for success measurements and adjustment when inevitably the market shifts again. Adapting to constant change is going to be critical for the future. If you are starting your journey in AI or looking to scale what you have started, if you're trying to figure out how you can build trust in your data and better ask what the business needs to drive growth, then advisory is what will help you tie to value and make strategic decisions that will support your growth. Typically CIOs, CDOs, CFOs, chief product officers, and often any VP and up. If you have been given the mandate to revitalize your organization to stay relevant and lead in the age of AI, that's where we can help.